Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is Princess Diana's birthday, so we are doing a manicure for her. Each individual are doing our own. This is mine, and honey, I hope you have a very happy birthday. So I don't get choked up, we're just gonna dive right in. On the nails on Harley Marie, we have this luxurious, beautiful blue polish. Topped it with Princess Diana's glossy top coat. A gel top coat at that. Just wanted to let everybody know that. Yeah, that's what I'm picking at here off the sidewalls. That's really great, huh? Anyways, on each nail we are going to be doing something different. Her favorite color is blue, so that is why the nails are the color that they are. She is into the bling and the stiletto nails, so that explains everything. I am going to start with the ring finger. I am going to be putting on some grip glue by She Modern. I'm going to be putting some foils on this nail. And I will be curing this for 30 seconds. There's going to be a playlist down in the comments pinned. I hope you will check out everybody's video for the manicure for Princess Nails by Diana's birthday. We would appreciate a full view by everyone. You never know what's going to take place in the manicures, who's doing what. You're going to want to see it all, so we would appreciate a full view. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, please do so. You click the subscribe button, click the bell off to the right, and click all. And then there you're done. Everybody runs a free channel, always is and will be free. So keep that in mind, no matter how big the channels are. That's it. So we have got a few seconds left on the lamp. We are going to be putting a capital D and a couple lines diagonally across the bottom of the ring finger nail. And on the other nails we are going to have some gems. So here we go. Ring finger has been cured. I'm going to be picking these up with my Big Bang Beauty stamper. Dab them on a no-lint surface. Could be a, well, I use a tissue. Look at that. Where is my, here we go. You're going to want to make sure there is no water or air bubbles. And there is not. Dab, dab, dab. Find where on the nail and how you want to place it. There we go. I have my itty bitty little stork scissors here. I'm going to be, oh, we need to rub, whoops, rub off to the sides there. There we go. And we're going to trim. There we go. You get my other line, dab it off. There we go. It looks so slick. Hold it down on one side, rub it down. You do the same thing on the other side. There we go. I have got my remover sitting off to the side with a brush. I'm going to take these up here against the nail. There we go. There we go. Here's our Shimon contribution to the mani. They're one of my favorites. Okay, next on the nail, let me see, what are we going to do? I am going to put down a layer of top coat. Let me back up here just a smidge. On the pinky nail, we're going to do one nail at a time. This may be a little bit of a long video, so please have your snacks and beverage handy, especially if you're going to watch all the videos at once. Okay. Some of these are not going to cooperate. Some of them might be too heavy for them to be picked up. I don't know. I don't know. There we go. I'm going to pop this in and cure it real quick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, on to the next nail. Let me close up my Shimon. I think I'm going to skip over to the thumb right quick. I'm using for top coat Princess Nails by Diana. She has her own line to polish out. I'm using her no wipe top coat. Can't do her manicure for her and not use her products. Coat the whole nail. Stilettos are mighty long. Here we go. Let's see how long that's going to sit there before it decides to slide around on me. Now, if I can, I'm going to do the index finger. This nail is really important to me and to Diana. She's my sis. I know that she does call everybody sis, like, I don't know. Like, hey sis. And she is my sister. She has truly touched me, and she's really been there for me. Through a lot of things that I've went through, we've been there for each other, and that's what sisters do. So she's not only my friend. That little bugger. Oh, shoot. Does not want to move. I'm going to attempt to do half a sister heart. There we go. Sorry I'm so quiet. I'm just really concentrating. I'm trying to. There we go on that. Okay. Let's see. Pick her up. Thank you. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Whoops. Yeah, it's gonna move on me. And then I move this one. Okay, we are going to put these in the lamp on... on 30 right now, I think. We have got one nail left to do. And right now I'm undecided of this third nail or the last and final nail. I'm totally winging it, so forgive me, Diana, sis. I'm just winging this last one, honey. But I hope you enjoyed this manicure in the video. I hope you liked the whole video and the whole manicure, and everyone else's. I know you will. I know you're going to be so stoked and so shocked. Here we go so far. Can you see the D? You should top coat that one. I'm going to skip back over here. So I never did top coat this one. I'll be jumping this one back in the lamp. It's definitely a blinged out nail for me, isn't it? I don't think I've ever done quite a manicure like this before. There we go on that one. Now the middle finger. I think this blue is just so beautiful. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. I got this one gem here I want to use, and I don't know if it's going to let me pick it up. There it goes. Alright, alright, alright. No, well, can't use that one. Whoops. Drop the little gem. There we go. Now I'm going to pause. We will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We have top coated. Everything is in place and been cured. Let's see. Can we see? Diana, honey, there's your manicure for your birthday. What does you think? What does everyone think? Leave me a comment down below, folks. Let me know. Diana, I'm sure you'll be telling me, honey. But please leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Can we see the bling? See the half a sister heart with the heart inside? Each nail has its own identity. Its own uniqueness, I should say. I think this turned out really great. I am really surprised, and I'm actually really proud of myself. This was definitely out of my comfort zone, and I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. I didn't really have a plan when I started. It just came from the heart. So once again, happy birthday, honey. I hope you have a greatly blessed day. I hope you enjoy everyone's video, and I hope you enjoy your gifts. So once again, happy birthday. I love you. And have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you.